Hello, welcome to CG Tech. In this video, we will see how we can make our website design great. And this is the WordPress dashboard we log into the last video. As you can see, if we go to our site by opening to new tab, the website doesn't look great. So in this video we will make it look nice. So for making the first step, here is a dashboard from where we can install different theme and plugin. So in this video we are going to install a Astra theme, which is a great theme and a very basic theme, and which is very easy to use also. So in the theme section, under appearance, we can see a button called add new. We can click on it to add a new theme. As you can see, there are lots of different type of theme, which are all great, but in order to make great websites in a minimum time, then we have to choose a theme which has already inbuilt lots of website templates, so we can use it to make website faster. So we are going to use the Astra theme. In the top right corner we can see there's a search box, so we can type Astra and hit enter. The first option is the Astra theme which we are talking about. So here's the install button. After clicking the install, it will take few seconds to get installed in your WordPress, and after this we can customize this to as per our need. After installing, we can activate by clicking on activate button. So as of now, the Astra theme is activated in our WordPress. So we can move to the next step, is to change our website name, which is currently showing my blog here. We can change this to a more sensible name. For this we can go to settings in general section. Here's the site title. We can change to, let's say, CG Tech. And we can also choose any other tagline which we want, but for now we are making it blank. So after this we can choose the date and time format also, but keep it default. And the important thing is you can choose your correct time zone. For me it's plus 5:30. Okay, now we can save the settings. Okay, we are ready to go and install the template, the first website template. I'm installing the template and not making from scratch because it makes the task very easy to just replace images and text to change the site to your own desired design. So for this we have to install few plugins. The first plugin is the Elementor page builder plugin. For this we have to go to plugin section, and here you can see the list of plugins which are already installed in your WordPress. So for this there are few which is not needed, so we can remove this, like this one and this one. Just select all and select the delete from the top down and click on apply. Okay, in order to add more plugins, you can see there is a add new button at the top. After clicking this, we can add the Elementor page builder plugin, which is needed and which is also very important to create new customized pages and a great design. Okay, this is the plugin which I'm talking about. Just click on install. Okay, after this click on activate. Also, you need some add-on plugins to enhance the feature of this plugin, so we can add few more plugins, and for searching those plugins you can easily type Elementor and hit enter, and some plugin related to this will be there, like this one, essential add-ons for Elementor. Click on install. And click activate. Just click on next and keep going, keep the setting default. Okay, for right now we have installed the two plugins, and we can see these plugins from the plugin section, this one and this one, and we also need few more plugins, but before that we can see how to install the templates, and after this we will install more plugins and make our site looks good. So for this, go to appearance section, and in the appearance section, after installing the Astra theme, you can see there is an option called Astra options. You have to go there, and after this you can see this interface, and in order to install templates which are inbuilt in Astra theme, we have to install one more plugin, which is a starter templates plugin, and for this you have to click here, install importer plugins. Just you click here and it will automatically install the plugins which are needed to import the templates in our sites. It is a one-click process. Okay, for now we can see there is a button called build your website. Now click on this. Now it is asking that which page builder plugin you have currently in your WordPress dashboard, so in your site. So we recently installed the Elementor, so we will choose the Elementor. After this we can see there are lots of templates, some are premium and some are free, so we can choose a template as per our need, like what type of site we want to create. For now I am going to create let's say let me choose and see some templates. No, not this one. One thing we can do is to choose a category from the top menu like this, and it will be much easier if we will choose the category. Like if we want to create a professional site, then we can choose from the professional. Like if we are web designers, so we can choose the web designer, and in the web designer category we can see some templates related to web designer like this here. Let's see if we want to install this plugin, this template, then we have to click here. After this we can see a overall look and feel of the site after installing, how our site will look like. So for this we can upload our logo here, so it will automatically replace this logo to ours. So for now we are skipping and click on continue. The colors also we can choose, or the fonts also we have option to change. We can do this later also. So we are going with the default colors and fonts. So we are clicking continue. Now after this, it is asking for the name, work email. So for this, we don't have to enter any information, and we can click on this button, submit and continue, and it will install the template in our site. We have to wait for a few seconds while it is installing. It will not take much time because it is a very easy process. Okay, yeah, it's 25% done already. And done, it's 100%. Okay, we are ready to go to next step. It is saying your website is ready, and it took just 32 seconds to build. Click on this button called view your website, and we can have a look to our site. In order to look for actual site, we can copy the link and can open the same site incognito. Okay, this is how our site looks currently. You can see there are all 3 pages like about me, portfolio section. Because this is a professional site, so it has portfolio section and contact us section, and our home section. And this is a very easy site and simple site which we created right now. And you can see our domain name here with a lock also. So it will take not more than few minutes to create this site, because we have used the Astra theme, which make the task a lot easier. So we are going to our dashboard again. Now this is how we can install the Astra theme and can use their templates to create the sites in almost no time. Now we are going to install few must-have plugin. For this, we have to go to plugin and add new section. Okay, the must-have plugin contain 7 plugins, in which we have already installed the Elementor add-on and Elementor page builder plugin. So we can delete this. Starter template plugin we already have with the Astra theme, so we can delete this. Now these 4 plugins are the plugins which we will need in future, so we will install one by one. The first one is Classic Editor. We can install this from here. The next is Yoast SEO. This is needed for improving your SEO if you are creating a blogging site. WordPress is generally used for blogging, so this is a must-have plugin. I think there's a wrong in spelling. Okay, YOAST. Okay, this is a plugin which has a very good review, 27,500 5-star reviews. Okay, we are ready to go with this plugin. Now the next is WP Forms Lite. This plugin is needed to create different type of web forms. I think we already have this form, WP Forms, so we don't need to install it separately. Okay, the next is WP Optimize. This plugin is very much needed when you have to remove the cache memory. This is a very needed plugin to clear the cache memory. Sometimes it is very important to remove the cache memory from your WordPress, because it creates the problem when your sites will get bulky. Okay, after this we can activate one by one, or we can also activate all at once. Like check the plugins which you want to activate and just select activate and click apply. Okay, all the plugins we have already installed and our site look like this. This is how you can create sites in no time using WordPress and domain and hosting. So for this video, that's it. We will see how we can create the business email for free using our hosting in future videos, or sorry, in next video. And for this video, that's it. Thank you.